Humans have walked the Earth for about 300,000 years. That sounds like a long time. But Earth is 4.5 billion years old. If Earth's history was a 24-hour clock, humans have only existed for the last 1 second. So here's the terrifying question. What happened during the other 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds? What if we aren't the first ones here? What if an advanced industrial civilization rose, built cities, and died out 50 million years before we were even born? And the scariest part, science says we might never know. You're probably thinking, if there were lizard people with skyscrapers, wouldn't we find their iPhones or cars? Actually, no. And this is where the Silurian Hypothesis comes in. In 2018, scientists from NASA and the University of Rochester realized something shocking. The Earth eats everything. If human civilization ended today, our skyscrapers would rust and collapse in 500 years. Our roads would be buried. Even our plastic would be crushed into microscopic dust after a few million years. Geological forces, erosion, subduction, and melting tectonic plates would recycle the Earth's crust completely. After 50 million years, there would be zero direct evidence that you, me, or New York City ever existed. No statues, no bones, no ruins. So, how do we look for ghosts? Since we can't find physical objects, scientists look for chemical fingerprints. They look for something called a carbon isotope excursion. Basically, when a civilization burns massive amounts of fossil fuels, it changes the carbon ratio in the atmosphere. And guess what? We found one 56 million years ago, during the Paleocene thermal maximum. Earth's temperature spiked massively. The carbon ratio went crazy. Exactly like it is doing right now with human climate change. Was it a natural volcano? Or was it them? We also look for nuclear anomalies. If an ancient species used atomic bombs or nuclear energy, specific radioactive isotopes like plutonium-244 would leave a signature in the rock layers that last for 80 million years. We haven't found a smoking gun yet, but the rock record is full of gaps we simply haven't checked. The truth is, we haven't found a previous civilization. But the Silurian Hypothesis proves that an industrial society could have existed and disappeared without a trace. It also teaches us a dark lesson about ourselves. If we want our civilization to be remembered for more than just a layer of polluted rock, we need to do better. Because right now, the only evidence we're leaving behind is the damage we've caused. Do you think we're the first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to know what happens if the ocean freezes instantly, click this video right here.